The city kills you. Not with crime, not with accidents, but with monotony. Day after day, night after night. The same damn thing. You wake up to the same four walls. You stare at a screen. You eat out of a box. You go to sleep, and tomorrow you do it all over again. In the city, everything is right there. Food delivery, stores, unlimited internet, free porn, hot showers. Too easy. And one day you realize you're a prisoner of your own comfort. But then something clicks inside you. You think, enough. It's time. I don't know what's out there waiting for me, but I know I'm leaving this city behind, because out there is life, the real kind. The concept of the road is similar to life itself, sometimes smooth, sometimes rough. But most of the time it's pure joy. Moments that stay with you forever. And no matter what comes, you just keep rolling forward, because that's the whole point of riding. On the road, everything becomes one. The bike, the road, and you. Your body knows what to do, the moves are automatic and you stop thinking about it. What's left is the rhythm, the vibration under you, the steady hum of the engine, the breath on your helmet, and then you notice yourself smiling just because it feels good. Because you ride where you want, the way you want, and you realize it's not about the destination, it's about the moment itself. Sometimes the road takes you into the mountains, where the clouds hang so low it feels like you could disappear inside them. The air is so cool and fresh and every turn shows you something new. Other times, it leads you into the prairie, just you and an endless horizon. The sun, the wind, the open space all around. You keep riding forward and the world feels wide open. In those moments, all the noise in your head fades away. It's only the road, the bike, and the sense that you belong here. And when you see the sunset behind the horizon, you realize you don't need anything more. That's the moment of truth. Rain that soaks you to the bone. Mud that pulls your wheel and slows you down. Cold that gets under your skin and makes every mile feel longer. In those moments you realize comfort was always just an illusion. Out here in real life nothing is guaranteed. You always may fall. The bike lies heavy on the ground and it feels easy just to leave it there. But you don't. You grab it, you lift it, and you keep going. Here only the ones who keep going make it. The best side of nature, the quiet. Evening comes, the light fades, and the world slows down. You sit by a fire and the city fades away. Deadlines, screens, noise, none of that matters here. No advertisement outdoors, no one telling you what to buy, who to be, how to live. It's just you and the nature. And in that silence, you finally hear yourself again. Not the voice shaped by the city, but your own. You start to feel what you actually want. You start remembering who you really are. And maybe that's because this is where we came from. Before the cities, this was our home. Here in the quiet and the simple, it feels like you have returned. Like this is a place we were made for as a human beings. Most people on Earth live in cities, where you can find everything except real life. And there it's easy to lose the taste for existence. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's scary, but every mile makes you stronger. You ride into the unknown, because the unknown is better than comfort. Only out here it really hits you. We are small, just tiny grains against these mountains and forests. You understand, we are not built to control everything. We are built to be a part of it. And for that, I always come back.